I found this chewing gum. They claim to have an explosively strong flavor, the kind that clears out your nostrils. So I ordered a few packs, and now let's see what our taste testers think of them.
It's almost like they bottled up mouthwash, put it into some gum. On a mint scale from 1 to 10, I'd probably put it at a solid 8.
Man, oh man, that has got some mentholatum in it. And I go straight up your nose. I would put that probably at a 7.
Sinuses. Woo! Woo-wee! Ooh. I'm gonna say 10, it's good.
It's good. It's opening me up all the way. This is like medicine. A 10, most definitely.
It's really cinnamony. An 8 or 9.